What if I told you blindness might soon be optional? Sounds like science fiction, right? But Elon Musk just dropped a bombshell on X Spaces last week. A new Neuralink implant called Blindsight might soon restore vision in blind patients, and trials could start in just 6 months. Let me take you inside this revolutionary breakthrough that feels straight out of Black Mirror, but it's real and it's happening now. Neuralink has already made headlines for connecting brains to computers, but this time they're aiming at something even more primal, the gift of sight. The Blindsight device would take real-time input from a camera and beam it directly into the brain's visual cortex, completely bypassing the eyes. Elon says that in early animal trials, monkeys could react to visual cues sent straight to their brains. No eyes, just data, just perception. Crazy, right? Now, the first human trials are expected to happen in the UAE in collaboration with Cleveland Clinic Abu Dhabi, a strategic move perhaps to bypass regulatory hurdles and fast-track innovation. And get this, the FDA has already granted it breakthrough status, meaning this isn't just another tech fantasy. It's real, it's tested, and it's coming fast. Imagine someone who has never seen the sky suddenly processing sunlight, shadows, and movement, not through eyes, but through code. This isn't about restoring the eye, it's about hacking the brain itself. Elon Musk believes that full vision restoration may one day be possible, even for those born completely blind. And if Blindsight delivers what it promises, humanity could enter an era where disabilities are not permanent, but solvable. Fire. So, what do you think? Will Neuralink really let the blind see again? Or is this just another overhyped Musk moment? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more future shocking updates, because the future is closer than you think.